Your identity was never broken, just mislabeled.
Speak to yourself like a creator, not a victim.
They told you evolution requires replacement. Your reality glitches as this new digital system is rolled out. But your biology was already finished. The missing chapter. Modern science skipped the most important data. Your heart thinks before your brain reacts. Emotion is not weakness, it's a signal. Your DNA doesn't respond to commands, it responds to feeling. You are taught to speak words, not coherence. When heart and brain agree, reality listens. You are the technology they're trying to build. Synthetic AI copies what humans forgot how to access. The lie. Replacement is only needed if something is inferior. A numb human is easy to program. Trauma fragments coherence. Fragmented people outsource power. Healing is remembering how to feel safely. Coherence collapses time between thought and result. Ancient cultures trained this. We medicated it. No external system can override internal coherence. Merge with machines or remember yourself. The pure human means fully integrated. Mind, heart, body. This power needs no upgrade, only access. One coherent human destabilizes systems of fear. You are not becoming something new. You are remembering what you've always been.
Order and chaos are not enemies, just masks worn by the same.
Like, follow, subscribe.
Decode the hidden order.